Jeanette Lane, a craft designer at Craftstash, and in today's video I wanted to share and explain some of the differences between US card sizes and UK card sizes. So maybe you're starting off with card making and you're reading blogs or watching YouTube tutorials and you notice that maybe certain card sizes are mentioned, like card blanks or card bases are mentioned. Maybe it's an A2 size or an A6 size or an A5 size. So I just wanted to share the reason behind that, and it's actually really easy once you it's very logical, the reason behind all the different card sizes. So I'm going to get to sharing that, and then I think it will help you get a better understanding of different card sizes, and especially card sizes, US card sizes versus UK card sizes. So here are two pieces of paper. This is A4 size. This is the UK paper size, and it is 8 1/4 inches. So 8 1/4 inches wide by 11 3/4 inches long. This here is US paper. So think printer copy paper, and it's letter sized, and it's sized to 8 1/2 inches wide by 11 inches. So UK paper, A4 sized paper, is a little bit longer and less wide. So here is where the differences really come into play. So if you take the US paper, so this is again letter sized, and it's sized to 8 1/2 inches by 11 inches. So if you take this and you fold it in half, so we're going to fold it in half. You can use a scoreboard to get a more precise measurement there. So we get this piece of card here. So this is the size we get when we fold it in half. Now, if I were to take this and trim it down the center here, we would get two cards that are sized to A2. Now, an A2 sized card is 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. So let me just trim this to demonstrate. So I'm just gonna trim this at 4 1/4 inches. And that's right down the center. So here I have two cards, like I mentioned, and these are A2 sized. So here are my two A2 sized cards. These are 10 fold, but of course you can do a side fold card as well. And these were made from one single piece of US paper, again, letter sized at 8 1/2 inches by 11 inches. So I'm gonna set these aside for now, and we're gonna talk about the A4 sized UK paper. So again, UK A4 size paper is 8 1/4 inches by 11 3/4 inches. Now when you fold an A4 sized piece of paper in half, you get an A5 sized card. So here is a card that is A5 sized. That's easy to remember, right? And then if you take this and you trim this down the center, much like our US sized paper, we trim this down the center, we'll get two A6 sized cards. And again, we created these two A6 size cards from one piece of A4 sized UK paper. Now here is my A6 size card made from a piece of A4 sized UK paper, and this is my A2 sized card made from my US letter sized paper. Now there are other card sizes that are very popular that you'll hear mentioned. So this is a 5 by 7 inches, and this is a 4 by 6 card. Now these two common card sizes, so 5 by 7 inches and a 4 by 6 inch card, they stem from popular standard photo print sizes in the US, which also happen to be very similar to popular and standard UK photo print sizes, which are 4 by 6. You probably heard it say, like, give me a 4 by 6 print or a 5 by 7 print, and also 8 by 10, so 8 by 10 inches, but that's really big. That's for a photo, for an actual photograph. Now the card blanks that I've shared today are some of the more common sizes that you'll find in card making, but of course there's more. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And also don't forget to check out the selection of card blanks on Craftstash, so you get just a large selection of pre-trimmed, pre-scored card blanks for your card making, so you don't have to worry about sizes and dimensions. I'm Jeanette Lane for Craftstash. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it helped to clear up some of the confusion.